Hey everyone, we're going to continue building on standard 408.8.3, solve multi-step word problems posed with whole numbers and having whole number answers using the four operations, including assessing reasonableness, interpreting remainders, and using an equation to represent the problem with a letter for the unknown. Now, I know that sounds like a mouthful, but we have literally worked on all of these things all year long. So thinking about addition of the operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, you're going to have to go back to those foundational skills to apply them to these problems. Including assessing reasonableness. We've talked about reasonableness all year long. Is the answer reasonable? Is it within the range of the correct answer? Interpreting remainders, talking about what the remainder actually stands for, and using an equation to represent the problem with a letter for the unknown. Talking about variables. We covered variables a lot in third quarter before we left. So we're going to tie this all into a problem that deals with area. We built on area the last couple of weeks. So in this question, Carl's rectangular vegetable garden is 20 feet by 45 feet, and McKenna's is 25 feet by 40 feet. Whose garden is larger in area, and by how many square feet? Again, Carl's rectangular vegetable garden is 20 feet by 45 feet, and McKenna's is 25 feet by 40 feet. Whose garden is larger in area, and by how many square feet? So the first thing we need to do is make a prediction. Whose garden do you think is larger? Make that prediction now, please. Great. Now let's figure out how large Carl's rectangular vegetable garden is. It is 20 feet by 45 feet. So you'll need to find the area of that regular rectilinear shape or that regular rectangle. So now find the area of what a rectangle would be if it was 20 feet by 45 feet. Answer that now, please. Awesome. Now let's figure out McKenna's. McKenna's is 25 feet by 40 feet. So find the area of the rectangle if it is 25 feet by 40 feet. Answer that now, please. Great. Now we need to figure out whose garden is larger in area and by how many square feet. So first of all, answer whose garden is larger. Is Carl's garden larger? Is McKenna's garden larger? Answer that now, please. Fantastic. Now, how many square feet larger is the largest garden? Answer that now, please. Great job, guys. Proud of y'all.